Hello all, welcome to V-Guide. Today we will learn how to create a new partition in the laptop or computer. So for this, click on this PC. Whenever we purchase a new laptop, we can only see one drive. As I already created another drive, so we can see two drives in my laptop. So creating a new drive, it is so easy. We can create a new drive. So for creating a new drive, we need to select window R, or we can simply select window button. In the search, type run. In this we need to give a command disk mgmt.msc. Hit on OK. A new window will be showing our disk management window. Here I have local C drive, local D drive, and some other default drives which are used for recovery partitions. So for creating a new drive, first we need to select from which drive we need to get the space. So here I am selecting local D drive. Right click on local D drive, select shrink volume. So in this window we need to allocate how much space we want to create for the new local drive. So here we need to mention in the MB only. So I want to create 5 GB drive. So here I am entering 5000 MB. Always we need to enter in the MB format only. After this, click on shrink. So allocation is completed, but we will not be able to use this allocation. So if you see in my PC, still the drive is not created. So how to complete this procedure? Right click on the unallocated space, new simple volume. A new window will be shown. Click on next. Here nothing we will do as it is. Click on next. Here a drop down is there. We can select any alphabet from the drop down. So I am selecting E for my drive. Click on next. So formatting system should be always NTFS for a quick format. Click on next. Finish. So allocation is completed. So we can see in my PC the allocation was created. Right? We can save any data in this new drive. Already had two drives, local C and local D. Now I had created another drive called E. So this is how we need to follow the procedure to create a new partition in our laptop. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.